everybody knows.
Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So today is Madam's school party, class party. So I'll be taking you guys. I want to go and give them their gift, then I will disappear. I don't think I'll stay there. Then it's tomorrow. I'll take you guys in her end of the year party. Yeah, so I'm gonna be, after this chick test, you guys will see her outfits, what she wore. Like, my girl is a model. I can't imagine that she's almost turning 3. Like, seriously, she's almost turning 3. Not this month, next month, which is January. She's turning 3. Like, the first day of January, she's 3 years old. Like, I have a 3-year-old daughter. Literally. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica Chonarek. I'm a Nigerian based in Nigeria. I am married and I have a daughter. Okay, if you're interested in my lifestyle and everything about being in an interracial relationship, please do wait to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Okay, I drop video 3 times in a week. And welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. My Vlogmas is not everyday Vlogmas, so please bear with me. Okay guys, so let's get started. I am done, I'm ready. I just want to pick up my bag and we move. Yeah, so let's go. Things I want to give the school. I did a video, a haul when I was getting this shirt. My video should have dropped before this one. So these are the things I want to give the school. And these are the things I got for her teacher. My sister was like saying this is a lot. I don't know, is this a lot? Let me know in the comment section. Is this too much or is okay? I don't know. What do you guys think? All right, so let's go.
Say now you in my mind. I swear I know the lie I dream about you. Makes you happy. Oh yeah, to be so close. I just gotta know for sure. So tell me if you love me lots, love me lots, love me not, love me not. 'Cause I don't wanna be the only one. Just thinking, did you ever really care?
Twins. I want you, but with the act like twins. How are you now?
A year and
Who's a year and pick up that rest?
so
1 year.
I am mad.
It's 1 year.
Count out 1 year, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 1 year and 7 months.
Now 1 year.
1 year and 7 months.
It's 1 year.
It is 1 year.
Anyway, they go market.
Talk yourself.
Which talking? Who told you that? Is it what mommy told you?
See you.
Sister came to the market to come and buy something. So you buy the mix this by itself.
Yeah, just the carrot.
No worries. How much?
Just a good price, expensive. That's the, I still have to go to that. That's it. Almost getting. No, one is so it's not that bad. I need to buy garlic.
It's not bad. This is just for quick fried rice. So your spring onions, 100 naira. 100 naira. Okay, this is curry. Ah, I can feel. This is cheap here. I know it's not spoiled.
Baby, just stay with me. Now I smell wine in the bedroom. You can get me when you're drunk. Apathy is how I get through. Until you ask me what I want.
So if I have one second, if I get this one now, I don't need to take antibiotics again, right? Huh? So my antibiotics now has finished. Very big Santa. Take one of your shoes. Pick one of your shoes. Pick your shoes now. That one? Okay, I carry it. You can keep it in the window. Santa Claus will give you something if you keep it in the window. Okay, come. You will get a gift. All right. Let's keep this thing here. Oh yeah, you keep it here. Keep it here. Keep it well. So tomorrow we'll check. Okay. Okay. Now you go to sleep, right? Say good night.
Good night.
Okay.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming.